getting ready to put on the back, the upper bout of the back. And here's how I'm going to get it aligned. I've got a piece of 1-inch aluminum and I got a clamp right on the heel, and the aluminum is sitting on the frets, and I got a couple of sheets of cardstock between the bridge and the top of the bridge and the aluminum here, just ensuring that I'm at the right angle. You want to be lined up just above the bridge with that neck. When I put the back on, I'll be able to put clamps, glue and clamp this. You can see I will have a little bit of an overhang right here. So that means that I am tweaking this neck and heel block into the right position. It's not the same position the guitar was in, but wood moves. Maybe the action wasn't that great to begin with. The neck angle was a little bit off. Maybe I didn't glue it back in the exact same spot it was in. Who knows? But this will be in the right position once I glue this back up. So I'm going to glue it in the same way I did the lower bout and line up the sides, get everything tweaked, but I'm going to keep that bar on there the whole time, and that will keep me in line, so to speak. So let me go ahead and do that now. So now I've got these tuners with no buttons, and I have these new buttons that I'm going to install. First thing I want to do is just clean up these tuning posts. There's some old plastic on here and residue. I'm going to clean that up with my Dremel. Now, whoops, I need to put it inside this vise, and I need to push the plastic over the shaft, and I have a little stop that I'm going to use so I don't go too far. I'm going to use this little torch light to heat it up. Once you start seeing this amber or blue color, you know it's hot enough. So I'm going to put this piece of wood as a guide. I'm just going to slide it right in. Oh, not quite hot enough. That's not good. So if that happens, gotta be very careful. Just want to heat up the shaft, not the plastic. And that's it. So I've got 5 more to do, and I'll show you what that looks like. This nut is very questionable. Yeah, it's way too low and there's no slots. Can barely feel any grooves. I opted to take a few sheets of veneer and attach it to the bottom of the nut and shim it. And then I'll recut this and then it should be good to go.